There is no division between mind and matter. And what is called dead matter, as Resix turns on, which means the world only has dimension and weight, because that's all you could measure at that time. You can measure a few more things now, but the world was reduced to the measurable, not the experienced, not the consciously lived. I continued on the basic foundations of indeterminism, entanglement, non-locality, and out of all this comes the recognition of participation, that if there is no observer-observed divide, I cannot be the master, then I can be a participant. It brings with it humility. And for me, consciousness, as I said, is the connector, is the seeing, the being, the doing, all of it in one.